EX-EastEnders star Danniella Westbrook posed for a fresh-faced selfie as she told fans she's ready to do life differently. The 48-year-old has spent the last few weeks reflecting on her life after the BBC replaced her Albert Square character with a different actress. 5. Danniella Westbrook looks fresh-faced in a new selfie. Credit, Instagram /Danniella Westbrook _73. Promising she's embarking on a fresh era, Danniella said, "Okay, so this is what a few weeks of solitude and isolation working on yourself at home looks like. Today I woke up ready and willing to do life differently. Huge thanks to @Sipwam for doing my hair. I'm London bound and life is good, heart, #be yourself." She hit out at EastEnders earlier this month after The Sun on Sunday revealed last week that Kim Metcalfe, 48, will play Sam Mitchell. Danniella played the fiery daughter of Queen Vic legend Peggy Mitchell in 1990 and last appeared in the role in 2016, although Kim played the character between 2002 and 2005. But she was left blindsided when EastEnders replaced her without speaking to her first. She told us, "I've been known as Sam Mitchell for 32 years. But nobody at EastEnders contacted me to let me know they had recast Kim in the role. There wasn't even an email to my agent. I was shocked because they do have a responsibility to tell me and someone should have." Danniella has struggled with drug addiction since she was 14 and abused cocaine so badly it destroyed part of her nose. She said, "The bosses have seen me go through addiction and they have no idea where I am today. Thankfully I'm okay. But if I hadn't been it could have had very serious consequences for me." 5. The EX-EastEnders star slammed the BBC for not telling her they had recast her Albert Square character with a different actress. 5. Danniella made her debut as Sam Mitchell in 1990, and most recently reprised the role in 2016. 5. EastEnders confirmed Kim Metcalfe has been recast as Sam, who abandoned son Ricky when she quit Walford. Credit, BBC. 5. Kim Metcalfe, 48, played Sam Mitchell until 2005. Credit, Getty.